Hi, this is Carole with Dowsing Tip number 14, which is Untangling from the Collective. And the information here was taken from a blog that I wrote in 2016. And the idea is that the collective unconscious consciousness is our enemy. And this is what Carl Jung called the thought forms shared by every person in the world. These energies surround the world much like the character Pigpen in Charlie Brown, if you're that old, the little bugs and things that were always around him. These thought forms can affect everybody. They can trigger memory. They can affect health, either emotional or physical health. And if you're an empath, you really, really know that you can be affected because the empath feels other people's energy anyway. And when we add in the collective consciousness, a person doesn't know whether it's their stuff or does it belong to the world. And usually they think it's theirs, which causes some problems. The world today is a problem. There's a lot of conflict right now, both openly and coming to the surface. There's a lot of polarization between people, mask, no mask, vaccine or not, the whole works, the politics, it's just not very good. And earth changes. Today there's in the United States, there's a hurricane coming in. There have been earthquakes, and around the world and here there have been fires, floods, you name it. It has not been a very good year for the earth and the people on it. And those that are involved directly in any of these disasters are putting out energy into the unconscious again, the collective unconscious. And we need to stay clear of that. And so right now I'm going to try setting an intention, and I'm just going to do a quick little read here. So I want you to just take a minute, take a breath, and I'm going to say for you, I demand to destroy any contracts, heart vows, hidden vows, soul programs, or protective promises with the collective about any programs, any health issues, or anything that draws me away from neutrality. And I would say add an amen to that and take another breath. The most successful dowser has to be neutral in spite of all this chaos, and they need to be able to read what's theirs and what isn't. So practice untangling from the collective. First of all, you need to be aware of it. Now you do. So keep working at it, keep trying, and keep dowsing, among other things. That was tip number 14, untangling from the collective.